How to get refund on Roblox. First, you want to open up your browser, and on your browser, you want to search for Roblox. Then you want to click on Roblox over here and log in into your account. Once you're inside your account, you can click on this option called settings over here and then choose help and safety. Inside of here, you want to choose violations and appeal. And once you're in this page, you want to choose support. From support, you want to enter your username, and then you can enter your first name and your email address. Then enter your email address again to confirm it over here, and make sure you enter a correct email address because this is what it's going to use to contact you to help you refund your tokens or your Robux. From here, you can choose the device you use to play Roblox, and over here, you want to choose this option purchases using Robux. Once you choose this, right underneath, you want to choose website item or inexperienced item according to your wish. If you bought from a website, you want to click on this. If you bought it from in-store, you want to click on inexperienced item. So I'm just going to choose this, and over here in description you want to paste this. I'm writing to request a refund for a purchase name on my Roblox account. Now over here inside this, enter your Roblox account's name. Do not enter username, enter your Roblox's actual username. Okay, recently I purchased item and enter the item's name over here and encountered an issue. The item did not function as expected and I believe this warrants a refund. Details of the purchase are as follows. Over here enter all the details, like over here fill this form up and click and continue. Once this is continue, Roblox is going to contact you on your email. Just wait for at least 1 week and they'll help you refund your Robux. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.